Okay, so you log on to D2L, you click on ELA, and this is what will come up. So on the left side is a calendar which tells you due dates for things that are coming up, or just kind of start dates for things. Under announcements here is where you will find instructions for assignments. Okay, so for this week, we're continuing with the distance learning challenge, which is due this Friday. These are the details from last week. So these are some reminders. This is the instructions for the distance learning challenge. Okay. This is a note on assessment moving forward. This is instructions for the week previous to that. Okay. So your work was the one-pager paragraph, and it gives you instructions for how to get to all of those instructions and how to do the assignment there. Scroll down again. These instructions were for your novel unit booklet, but for the novel unit booklet, because it was assigned, because it kind of fell after that date where the grade freeze fell into place, I've kind of cut this, so you just submit 3 of your best pages, and the pages that we've already completed are listed here. So this is all of the stuff that was free game before class cancellation. So at least you should have one of these 3 of these 4 submitted. If you keep scrolling down, it'll say show all announcements. So if you click that, then you can find every single announcement I've put on since school closure. Okay, so I have right here how to submit assignments on D2L. You click on that. There's a whole PDF that shows you screenshots and instructions play-by-play of how to submit things. Okay. Again, ignore that. You did miss this discussion board, so you'll need to probably just submit that to me. If you're still interested, just let me know and we'll talk about it. And then this would be where you would start from if you have missed all of that. Would just be from the group discussions board, from instructions from March 30th to Friday, April 3rd. Okay, so again, let me know if you have any issues with that. Most of the content can be found under course tools, and you click on content. Okay, and it just depends on what unit we're in. Your grades as of March 13th are posted here. They're posted by your student number, but this is all the novel unit stuff. Okay, so a lot of this information you'll be forwarded to through those instructions on the home page. Okay, let me know if you have questions.